Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel Master Learner AI, where we explore the exciting world of technology. Today, we're diving into the fascinating process of creating a website, and I can't wait to share this with you. As you may know, I recently embarked on a journey to learn coding from scratch, and one of my goals is to build a website for my name by the end of this year. I wanted something simple yet stylish that could serve as an online resume, showcasing my skills and projects. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, we headed over to GitHub to sign up for an account and create our very first repository. This is where all our website files will be stored, so it's crucial to get this step right. Next up was installing dependencies using Node Package Manager, or NPM for short. This allows us to add additional tools and resources that we'll need later on. A few other tools that we installed include Netlify CMS and Markdown Live Previewer plugins. These will come in handy when customizing our website content and previewing it before publishing. And finally, we set up the GitHub workflow using GitHub Actions to automatically deploy our website when we push changes to the repository. Pretty cool, right? So there you have it, a quick glimpse into how I created my website from scratch using GitHub Pages. Remember, this is just a starting point for your own creation journey. The possibilities are endless when it comes to designing your dream website. Thank you so much for joining me on this tech adventure. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, happy coding!